Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by using an admin account so changes stick for your user. Open System Settings, then go to General and choose Login Items. This is where Mac OS controls apps that auto-open. Once there, scan the list. Items under Open at Login, Launch on Sign-In, and apps allowed in the background can relaunch. Make sure you identify the app names you want to stop. Write them down or remember their exact names to avoid removing the wrong entries. You now remove apps or toggle their auto-start switches. Select each unwanted app in Login Items and click the minus button to remove it or switch off its Open at Login toggle. This prevents future automatic launches. Also open any apps in question and inspect Preferences General. Many apps include their own Open at Login checkbox that must be disabled. Once done, restart to verify behavior. This double check ensures both systems. To finish, restart your Mac to confirm apps no longer open automatically. If an app still reappears, you may need to check ~library/launch agents and /library/launch daemons for persistent list entries and remove suspicious files. Be cautious and back up first. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to see whether third-party agents are the cause, and then uninstall the problematic app or remove its helper. Make sure to test after each change so you can pinpoint what fixed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.